Children, your next topic is cooking food. Okay, so what do you mean by cooking, children? Cooking means that the food has been prepared in a particular way. Okay, it is the way a food item has been prepared. Clear, children? Cooking has its advantages and disadvantages also. Okay, so we will discuss about it later, and what precautions should be taken while cooking, that also we will discuss later. But first we will discuss about the methods of cooking. Clear, children? So children, your next topic is methods of cooking. Okay, food can be cooked by using different methods. Okay, and each method gives a different taste and texture to the same food. Okay, so the first method is boiling. Okay, boiling is the method of cooking food in boiling water. Okay, in which food is completely submerged in boiling water. Okay, submerged means underwater or drowned. Okay, so food is completely submerged in boiling water and then cooked till it becomes tender. Okay, for example, cooking of rice, and we boil eggs in water by using the boiling method. Clear, children? Now children, the next method is steaming. Okay, this method works by boiling water continuously, okay, and form the steam. The steam then carries heat to nearby food, thus cooking the food. Okay, so in this way the food is cooked in a steamer with heat from the steam. Clear, children? For example, idlis are prepared in a steamer without coming in contact with water. Clear, children? So in this method, children, boiling water forms the steam. Okay, and then food is cooked with heat from the steam. Clear, children? Now the next method is frying. Okay, in this method the cooking of food is done in hot fats or oils. Okay, so in this method the food is cooked fully submerged in hot oil. Okay, however, this kind of food is greasy, indigestible means difficult to digest, and can make us fat. Okay, so examples are samosa, puri and potato fries are prepared by this method. Clear, children? Now next method is roasting. Okay, roasting is a dry cooking method. Okay, it involves cooking food in an uncovered pan. Okay, so the food is cooked using the dry heat of coals underneath. Okay, so meat and vegetables are roasted on flame. Clear, children? Now the last type is baking. In this method, children, food is cooked using the dry heat given by heating rods of the oven. That means this method uses dry heat for cooking. Okay, so the examples are baking of biscuits, cookies, cakes, bread, etc. Clear, children?